Happy birthday, Hajin! This is my friend Haj, and his birthday's coming up soon. So I decided for his birthday, I was gonna paint him a gudetama themed skateboard. After I'd finished making the design, I had to sand down the board. After I'd sanded the board down, it was now time to transfer the image.
Wow, big transition. That was a cool transition.
I'm just gonna sand it down. Watch this.
Bubbles like right here. These bubbles are completely solid. That's crazy. And they look like it looks like it's wet. That's so cool.
I accidentally put too much varnish on some side that's gonna have like overlaps. But yeah, hopefully it isn't that bad and it will still be good. Alright, so today's the day that I'm gonna give it to him. The varnish actually turned out okay. I managed to not ruin it, which is a good thing. It's great. Anyways, now it's time for the reveal.
When August runs, I don't count the days. Trends is torn views from the subway train. How strange, when life unfolds, they
birthday, Hajin!
I'll eat here.
Can you go upstairs and then close your eyes? Like, lay flat on the floor? I brought something.
Romans too, fading at the rate, most pleasant.
Now open your eyes. Ta-da!
Thank you. You drew it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
This is my epic video. Yeah.
Thank you.
After I gave the skateboard to him, I snuck up on his little brother playing Valorant. And we also watched some gudetama. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.